What is up, guys? Welcome back to Dark Arts Jiu-Jitsu. It's me, Maddox, here with another video, and today I'm here with my sister, Emmy, and today we're going to be going over a butterfly sweep defense into a heel hook. But before you do that, make sure you like and subscribe. Dark Arts Jiu-Jitsu. Alright guys, so what my partner's gonna do is she's gonna put me in butterfly guard, where her feet are in between my 2 feet. She's gonna come up and grab my waist right here, and the other hand's gonna be grabbing my arm. Now, grab it here. Now from here, she's gonna fall back to her side and try to lift me that way. I'm gonna step out and slide this knee in. I need to make sure the bottom leg slides all the way over her bottom leg. Now, this leg that's up, we're gonna take it and carry her leg over ours. Before it was under, now we just brought it over. Now from here, we're gonna figure 4 my legs, right here. Now I'm gonna take this shoulder, and I'm gonna just do it slowly, but I'm gonna roll over this shoulder, and she's gonna follow. And from here, we have a heel hook. Again, turn this way. So, butterfly guard. She grabs here and here. She goes to sweep. We're here. We go all the way over the leg. Now this foot carries it over. We figure 4. Now from here, I roll over this shoulder, and we have the heel. Dark Arts Jiu-Jitsu.